Hey everybody, it's Brian here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So a number of days ago, I created a competition which I informed all of the followers on the various social media platforms that I upload and contribute to. And last Sunday, I selected one of the participants who obviously registered their participation in the competition. And the prize of the competition was me going into that person's Redbubble shop and selecting 5 stickers and purchasing them for obviously my own consumption. And today's episode is basically going to be showing me going into that person's shop, selecting the stickers, taking a look at the shop, what is on offer, perhaps offering a few tidbits of advice with respect to what I'm seeing. So that obviously there will be a learning component to this particular episode and actually making a purchase. I'm looking for some sticker packs. I love sticker packs. I want something which is vibrant or maybe something that's pastel. Something that is going to make me stop and say, wow, yeah, I would definitely love to have that sticker pack either to give as a gift or to use myself or maybe pass on to my wife for her to be able to use accordingly. So I'm really excited about doing this. I know this is definitely going to be helping out that particular Redbubble shop owner, garnish a few sales to get that infamous "you've made a sale" email in their inbox. So with that said, let's hop over to my computer, take a look at that shop and see what kind of stickers I'm going to purchase. Now, before we continue with today's episode, the fact that you're here means that you're interested in everything pertaining to print on demand. And for that, I want to say thank you very much for taking the time out of your busy day to sit down and watch this episode. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so that you'll be informed each and every time that I upload a new video to my channel. I'm really working hard to try and gain 3,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. More of that will be possible. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please take that moment right now, hit that subscribe button, click that bell notification icon, and I want to say thank you in advance for becoming part of this community. And for those of you who have been in this community since the start of this channel, thank you so much for sticking around. I certainly hope that you continue sticking around. Don't forget to smash that like button. And with that said, let's head over to the shop right now and make some purchases. Okay, so welcome to my computer screen. And as you can see, I have the seller's shop up on the screen for us to look at. We've got this interesting shop banner with what looks to be sort of teddy bear motifs on it. So let's go through the shop and see what this person has on offer with 196 designs. I have no doubt that we should find some kind of stickers that we can obviously click to add to cart to button and obviously make the purchase. So let's just scroll down here. All right, so the featured collection is butterfly set, so quite interesting. Seems like we've got butterflies mixed with a heart, a human heart. This actually looks interesting. Let's just take a look and see what we have in terms of the featured collection. So again, we've got this cross between butterflies and a heart. Interesting. I don't know if it's something that I would really be too happy to purchase, but then again, that's me. One thing, we've got the sticker pack over here, and the butterflies look really nice. The only unfortunate thing is that there's not enough space between all of the butterflies, so as a result, if I order it, I'm going to have to take a pair of scissors and cut around it. It may not come the way that I would hope for it to come, so I think it's more trouble than it's worth in terms of buying that. So obviously, Jay-John, if you're seeing this, do go into the back end and correct that so that obviously people will be more interested in making the purchase too as well. And as you got over here too as well, it's extremely close. So I'm wondering if that might not be detrimental to potential sales as well. But otherwise, the butterflies look really great. But again, I'm looking for something in the form of sticker packs as a get-go. So let's just scroll down and see what else is on offer here. Okay, so we've got a number of collections here: digital art, quotes, planner, minimalist, bear, etc. Let's take a look at planner. So we're going to click on that and see what we've got. Okay, so we got weekly planner stickers. Now this is actually quite good because there's a lot of space around them. So obviously when somebody orders it, they're going to have a bunch of stickers to be able to utilize. So let's just take a look. What we're going to do is just have a quick look before we actually decide upon what it is I'm going to purchase. This is quite interesting too as well. We got the days of the week. Quite minimalistic, which is quite good too as well. Let's check aesthetic creatures. Okay, again, these are nice. All right, we've got a sticker pack here of turtles. Again, we've got the closeness over here, but I could potentially close one eye to that. So let's just click on this, take a look at it. Okay, and again, as you can see on the sticker here on the mock-up, there's a bit of a joint over here. The others seem to be quite separate, so I'm just going to click add to cart and get this one. All right, we're going to keep shopping. Let's just click on the back. Again, this is an aspect that every seller, irrespective of what print-on-demand platform that you sell on, you do have to take this into consideration. You need to make sure that any sticker packs that you create is going to have enough space between each of the individual stickers so that you don't get a lot of overlap. Okay, so this is actually pretty nice too as well. We've got a whale and a manta ray and a star. Let's just continue looking now. Now this is actually really good. So you've got these seahorses here. I like that. I'm going to click on that and we'll click add to cart. Okay, and keep shopping. So that's 2. Continue scrolling down here. Okay, we've got turtles here too as well. Are they similar to the other ones? Actually, you know what? I'm preferring these turtles to the other ones. So let's click on this. Why again? Because there's enough space between all of the stickers. So I'm not going to have to go through and cut that extra turtle sticker out on the previous one. They're going to come out to me and they're really nice. I really like the pastel color palette that you've used. So let's click add to cart and then we'll just get rid of the other one after. All right, I'm going to click on back. Okay, we got seashells, but there's quite a number of pastel ones. Let's see if there's something from one of the other categories that we can utilize. So let's check digital art and see what that's all about. Okay. So we got fried eggs over here. I wonder if we created a sticker for that. So let's just click on that and see how it looks. Go down, view on other products. And let's just see, we've got it on stickers. Okay, so guys, let's take a little bit of a lesson from this experience too as well. That is great to create patterns and have multiple clip arts of the same thing on the same canvas, but when you are actually uploading it on things like shirts and on caps, you need to make sure that it's going to look the best it can possibly look. In truth, I don't know of anybody who would actually purchase a cap like this where you just effectively have only one egg, which is, you know, within the print areas and everything else is just partial. So do take that into consideration when you are uploading designs here. Okay, oh, what a pity. So as you can see here, this would have actually been a really fantastic sticker to purchase. I would have loved to have something like this. But again, given the fact that we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 8, let's call them eggs, that are actually in full view, it's a bit of a waste to obviously purchase that too as well. So again, Jay-chan, if you're watching this video, go into the back end and just grab these 3 and move them, maybe resize everything around a little bit and re-upload it, because it's a really cool design. I would have definitely made a purchase for this one, but again, given this, unfortunately not at this juncture. So let's see what else we've got. Okay, we got cute strawberry milk dessert stickers. So I'll just click on those and see how they look. Okay, again, we've got this little bit of a joint area over here. Given the situation, I think we can just close our eye to it because I do obviously want to help the seller out by making some purchases as promised. So I'm going to add that to cart. We'll see if there's something better. If there is, then we'll just delete this from the cart later on. So we're going to continue shopping. Let's click the back button. Okay, I'll just scroll down here. Got these flowers. Here's exactly what I'm talking about, okay? So each flower is within the print parameters of the tote bag. Will the same be said for the sticker? Let's take a look. So we're going to scroll down here. And we've got the stickers here. It's coming up. Perfect. So as you can see here, this one would work too as well. All right, so great on you for that. I really am glad that you managed to fit everything and separate them accordingly. I want something a little bit more, you know, with a bit of more of a wow factor. Okay, so we got sushi here. Those are pretty cute too. All right. Pastel Bear and Aesthetic Creatures. Let's see what Aesthetic Creatures are all about. Ah, okay, so this is sort of like the ones that we were looking at before. Let's check Pastel Bear and Bunny. Okay. All right, here. So we've got some sticker packs over here. Okay, here we go. We've got another example over here of pieces of the stickers joined together. So you got to be definitely careful with that. We've got that issue over here too. Sorry to be a bit critical. This is all constructive criticism because I do want you to make more sales down the road. So being the sort of like objective eye, and I have nothing invested in this shop emotionally or otherwise, I can come and tell you, listen, they're nice, but this is what you have to obviously improve upon, just so that you'll end up making more sales, you know, down the road. Because there are some nice designs here. You just need to make sure that you're giving the customers what it is that they need. And that is great quality, great designs, and if you're creating sticker packs, you need to make sure that there's enough space between them so that they're not having to have to fiddle around with a pair of scissors afterwards in order to try and see what it is that they're going to have to do in order to get the stickers separated. All right, so this one is a minimalist Easter bunny. So let's get this one. Easter's just around the corner. I know some people who would really appreciate these stickers, so we're going to click add to cart. All right, let's just take a look at the cart here. Let's see what we've got. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, but we said we were going to get rid of this one, so we're going to delete that. And that leaves us with 4, so we need to get one more sticker pack. So let's just close this here. All right, and go back to the shop. And we're looking for that one really amazing sticker or sticker pack that's going to be, you know, that pizzazz, that's going to, the wow factor. Let's see here. What's OC? Click on that. All right, nothing there of interest for me at least. Cute sushi. Okay, so this fell under the sushi. We already have that one. All right, so let's just click on that and see what we've got over here. All right, we'll click on the sticker. Hopefully, by the looks of it, I think we have a winner here. Okay, so we got different sushis here. The rice part here, I think that's supposed to be salmon on rice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different stickers. All right, let's get this one. We'll click on that. So we'll just view the card again. Okay, so here's the order. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticker categories, and each of them are all sticker packs too as well. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and make the purchase, and then we'll just obviously show the order has been completed screen here. So we'll just go ahead with the order. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and we're going to pay accordingly. Just pay by PayPal. And there you have it. Order has been successful. So Jay-chan, congratulations once again for obviously participating in the competition and winning this. I hope that this purchase will have helped you and put a bit of a smile on your face when you receive that infamous email in your inbox saying that you've made sales, and hopefully this purchase will also help those stickers, to do a little bit better in the Redbubble marketplace, and hopefully this will encourage other potential customers to visit your shop and hopefully make more purchases down the road. So the one thing that I obviously wish that every episode on my channel obviously will portray to you all as obviously viewers of this channel is that there is a bit of a learning component. So obviously do go back into your back end with respect to any sticker packs that you have and make those corrections so that obviously when customers visit your shop, particularly as you move closer to the fourth quarter, there's going to be something which is really great for them to actually sink their teeth into. There's going to be enough space between each of the sticker packs that it isn't going to annoy them when they receive it. And obviously they will have a great experience and be more open to the idea of visiting your shop again in the future in order to make more sales. So I certainly hope that you all enjoyed watching this episode of me purchasing these stickers. If these are the kinds of episodes that you enjoy watching me do, if you enjoy me obviously holding different competitions so that obviously there'll be some winners, I do enjoy helping others too as well. Just drop a like on this video so that obviously if I get a lot of likes, it's more encouragement for me to create more competition so that hopefully it might be you and your shop that is being featured on my channel one day in the future. And obviously I can have the pleasure of visiting your shop and making some purchases in order to help you out. But for today, that's all I've got. And as always, be safe, be well, be creative. Bye for now. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you want to find out more ways that you can take your print-on-demand business to the next level, why don't you check out one of these 2 episodes I have over here. And don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next episode. Bye for now.